YouTube, more product review action. This time we have a pizza grill from Mont Alpi. Oh, I am so excited. This is a gas pizza grill. It's gonna be awesome. Today we're gonna be opening this puppy up with the Finch route knife. Like that, yeah, smooth little knife. First look together, let's do it. Look at that, you're getting a little shreddage of the cardboard from that Rutley. Nice little knife. All right. First impressions, the packing is impeccable. And we've got some super thick styrofoam. Looks like everything is kind of section cordoned off, packaged appropriately. This is a nice looking box. Package wise, A+. Let's get it all out and show you what we have. Artistic transitions. Ha, yeah, for real. So this is what we have out of the box. Let's take a look. So we have the pizza stone. We have the components for the chimney top right there. I think these are going to be the legs, a gas bottle holder, grease trap. I believe there's something to do with like a lighting ignition type of system or something. I gotta say, the pizza oven has a nice protective filming on the stainless. It continues all the way around it here, so all this white is like a nice protective filming so that stainless doesn't get marred up. Pretty impressed with the packaging so far. So again, we're going to use the included instruction manual. That comes with it as well. And we're going to put this together. I don't think it's going to be too hard though. Just check back in with you in just a minute. What is this, you ask? Well, check this out. Just in case you wanted to, the Mont Alpi also, you can get an additional bag for ease of transportation and whatnot. I mean, we got the whole thing in here. And check this out. That's sick tricks right there. Portability. And unzip. Look at that. It's got a nice hard bottom on it too, so it kind of is really sturdy. Plenty of room. Think about it. It works out pretty awesome.
Assembly on this was pretty simple and straightforward. Following the guide, we assembled and installed the 4 legs on the bottom with just simple screws. We also assembled this chimney. Again, just a couple screws. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. Let's take a peek inside here. Inside here, this was wrapped up in a bag and a zip tie. The pizza stone, we just placed that inside. Assembly on this was super easy. It took maybe 5 minutes total to put everything together. It looks amazing and everything looks pretty quality. Let's take this out and start making some pizza.
All right, people, let's go ahead and go over a little bit of the ignition system here. So, as you see, we are kind of set up on the dial. We're just gonna follow this right over and it's gonna click on and you're gonna be able to hear it. It's gonna give us that click sound. Hear that? Let's do it again, here we go. Yeah, so that's how we're gonna go ahead and start it. We'll give you a little instruction information here. Go ahead and pause and read that at your convenience.
So today we are going to be cooking some of Pat's famous chicken drums.
Bam, transported right to the source. There's the Pat drums. Yeah, patent pending Pat drums. Ha-ha. Let's cook them up.
The Pat drums are now in the oven and there's plenty of room. Let's let these things do their magic.
Pepperoni pizza time. Let's do it. Assistant? Yeah, see, it looks nasty in there. All right, so a little behind the scenes, pizza people. Just the first pizza in here, I went to slide it in off of the pizza peel, and it crumpled. Cheese went everywhere. It was a big mess. So that's why it kind of is all gross on the inside when we threw in the pepperoni. But that was my bad. I didn't put enough of the flour on the bottom, act as the ball bearings. But look at this pepperoni though. That puppy is looking nice. The drip is real, folks. It's looking good. See what I mean about that grossness in there? Yeah, kind of got everywhere. Should be easy to clean out though.
The last pizza of the night is actually a cheese bread, and it's ready. It's been a sizzling. This pizza oven's been cooking a lot of pizzas.
Let's check out how cool this thing is to clean. Do you see my hand there, the shadows? Yeah, but here's the like grease trap right here. So that just pulls out. But cool thing is we have this pan all the way pretty much along the bottom of the Mont Alpi. So just one screw. So if we unscrew this puppy, we're gonna be able to pull that out and really do some quick and easy cleaning. Let's show you. I mean, you can obviously use a screwdriver too, right? But yeah, slides right out, look at that. Easy peasy cleanup. I love this thing. I mean, they make it so simple to keep it clean. And the stainless comes really clean, really nice. A+ for cleaning efforts and situations. Yes, we love our pizzas well done. Super well done. Like, not super, super well done, but well done pizza. It's like good. I don't know. You get the flavor, the taste. It's delicious. But hey, the Mont Alpi, this is bringing it all. So to get our pizzas to this level, it took on average 6.5 minutes per pizza. So if you want like a pizza that's not well done and just like normal, I'd say like 5 minutes, maybe just a little bit over. For us to achieve that, we were rocking right around somewhere around 450 or so again on our average. But again, this is outside in the winter and it's able to do it on these little LPs. So that's awesome. I mean, we have an oven outside and the pizza stone made the bottom so crispy. You can see this, it's crispy and delicious. So 10 out of 10, this is a definite would recommend. And just to show that it's like a true oven, you know, in a sense that it can do more than pizzas. The chicken, no problem whatsoever. So chicken drums rather. Again, I think we were in there maybe like 45 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, right around there. Same temperature. We were a little bit lower for a while on the temperature. Maybe up to like 350. So yeah, and then we cranked it, but those were delicious. Again, just goes to show that it does more than just pizza. This is not a one-trick pony, folks. This is a full horse. Giddy up. It's a would recommend. This is perfect for anybody, and it's lightweight, it's portable. It ticks a lot of boxes, even just for camping now. Camping setups. Heyo, this would be perfect. Hey, this bag's pretty nice. You really might want to consider getting it. I just actually put it away on my own, all by myself inside that bag. Just probably would take off the bottle holder because it sticks out of the side, but that's no problem. Nice bag though, good for storage. Definitely would recommend as well. Thanks for watching, people. Really appreciate it. If you're new in town, consider subscribing. We'd love that. So we see you again. Keep your nose clean. Bye-bye.